Want to convert scan photo document to Word document in Android phone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can convert scan photo document to Word document. The first thing you want to do is open up the Microsoft 365 Office app on your device. If you don't have this, you can easily download it from Play Store. Now tap on the capture option. Then tap on New Capture. Now select Scan. Go ahead and click a picture. Once that is done, tap on Review and Edit. Now tap on Finish. As you can see, it is currently set to PDF. Tap on Save to Phone and this PDF file will be saved. Now to convert this into a Word document, open the PDF file. Then tap on these three dots. Here you have the option Convert to Word. Tap on that. Now follow the on-screen prompts and then your PDF file will be successfully saved as your Word document, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.